Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create a new HTML file, and after that how we can write our first HTML code, then we will execute that code in the browser. So let's search for Sublime Text. So it does not matter what compiler you are using, just you can use any of the compiler. And after that now we can create a new HTML file. Just click here and after that new file. So now click here, save as. Now we can give a name, just I can add here 4. After that we need to add format, just add dot, after that HTML, then click here save. Now start writing our first HTML code. Doc type HTML, so this is opening tag, and after that this is closing tag. Now here we can add body tag, and after that there will be closing tag for the body section. Okay, all right. So now we can write anything in this tag. For example, I want to add a heading h2, and after that I want to write this is heading 2, and now we can close this tag. Okay, tag is now closed. So let's save our first program and we will execute this program in the browser. So here you can see this is the file, and after that let's open it in the Chrome browser. So that's great. So this is HTML language that is very easy to type and we can execute in the browser.